I'm standing on the corner of Catella and Harbor. You can see right over there, that is Guardians of the Galaxy. We're doing hotel tours and video room tours of 3 different hotels that are right here this close to Disneyland. This is the Desert Palms, okay, Home and Suites. Right here on the corner is CVS, and above CVS is the SpringHill Suites by Marriott. Okay, right here on the corner. And then I'm going to show you down here. So here's the CVS. Over on the other corner is a Walgreens. There's also a 7-Eleven, which is very convenient. So these 3 hotels are just 3 in a row here on Harbor. SpringHill Suites. Over there on the other corner was the Desert Palm. And then this hotel right here is the Portofino Inn and Suites, which we're going to do room tours of that one as well. I have stayed at all 3 of these properties, and I will compare and show the room sizes, the rooms, rates you'll find in the description. And then you'll always get discounted rooms through Getaway Today. And I'll tell you about which ones include breakfast, getting to the parks. I'll talk about that as well in the video. So right there, this is the Portofino. So this street is Harbor. So if you just take this sidewalk and you walk all the way down to the entrance of Disneyland and then go in at security, it's about a 10 to 12 minute walk depending on which hotel you're at. They do also offer a bus stop, which is right there, that you could do the Anaheim Resort transportation, or you can walk. First up on our hotel tours is the Desert Palms Inn and Suites Hotel. It is literally located in the backyard of Carsland. This hotel offers several different room types. I'm going to show you a tour of one of the hotel rooms, but make sure you check out the link in the description. On the website, you'll be able to see the different room types that they offer here at the Desert Palm Inn and Suites. They have several room types to accommodate any size group. So check out the website. They also have discounted rates. Now let's check out this hotel. All right, let's check out our room here at the Desert Palm. This is one of their family suites. So it's kind of divided into 3 areas. Let's start here at the kitchen. This is a full kitchen. So it's got a full fridge, freezer, fridge part, microwave, dishes, cooktop, dishwasher, sink. Okay, then over here we've got our bathroom. So you have your sink, your mirror, and then a door that shuts off to the toilet. Okay, and then we've got a tub shower here. Okay, and again, a door to shut that off. So you shut that off. Okay, so here's our vanity, and then back over here is the kitchen. Then this is a closet, a sliding closet. There's a desk and 4 chairs here, a table, I should say, not a desk. And then it's got a sofa sleeper, TV, and then this door shuts. In here, we've got 2 queens. Okay, so we have 1 queen, 2 queens, dresser, nightstand, and then over there you have a place to put your suitcase, TV, there's the safe, more drawers, and then again you can shut that door, and this goes into the kitchen, and that door goes into the bathroom. So 3 kind of separate spaces here: living room, kitchen, the bathroom area, and the bedroom. Very nice. The Desert Palm is located literally behind Disney California Adventure. It is a close walk to the parks, and it includes breakfast. And they have different room types here at this hotel. They do have a pool here at the Desert Palms, and it's an outdoor pool, but it's like in the center of the hotel, and they have a jacuzzi. Also included with your stay is breakfast. They serve breakfast on the very top floor. They have lots of options for everyone in your group. Here's just an option and some of the things that they do serve here for breakfast. But I want to make sure that you know the best thing about breakfast are the views. So keep watching. There's seating indoors, but for the best views, I recommend you go outside. Let's go see what we can see right here off of the back patio at the Desert Palms. Check out the views. That would be Guardians of the Galaxy. You can see Avengers Campus and the back of Cars Land. That's how close we are to the parks. Do have gift shop and place you can buy snacks and stuff here in the lobby. Hotel dining options here at Desert Palms. They have a food court and they also have room service. Next stop on our hotel tour is the SpringHill Suites by Marriott. It is located right here on the corner, and below the hotel is a CVS pharmacy, which is really convenient if you need any snacks, drinks, forgot something at home. Let's go check out the hotel. Here we are in the beautiful lobby of the SpringHill Suites. If you need anything, they do have a tiny market right here next to where you check in. Then also here in the lobby is where you will eat breakfast. Breakfast is included with your stay here at the SpringHill Suites. I'll talk more about that in a minute. But I also wanted to point out that there are restrooms in the lobby, and right next to the restrooms in the lobby is a water bottle refill station. Really nice and convenient. Welcome to the SpringHill Suites Convention Center, which is located basically in the backyard of Cars Land by Disneyland. We are in a suite room that has a set of bunk beds. This is actually a sofa pull-out, and this little area has its own TV. And you've got your microwave, fridge, coffee maker. Okay, we've got a bathroom right here. Hello. Nice bright lighting, barn door to close. And we have 2 queen beds and a closet, dresser, and TV. And this room sleeps up to 8. Located on the top floor of the hotel is a beautiful gym. I mean, check out all the equipment. And the best part is probably your views while you're working out. Look right out there. You can see Cars Land. Look at that. That's awesome. And here is the pool area. So you can come out here. Again, your views. Look at that. You're just looking at Cars Land. There's a credit coaster way over there. Lots of places to sit. Here's the pool. And again, when you're here at the pool, you are up on the rooftop, so those are your views. Pretty fantastic. Hot breakfast is also included with your stay at the SpringHill Suites. The breakfast area is down on the first level in the lobby. There's lots of food to choose from. Of course, they have my favorite Mickey waffles, and they use the most delicious batter. Also, there's lots of places here that you can sit and eat and enjoy your breakfast. Make sure you fuel up before you go to the parks. Here we are at the Portofino Inn and Suites. They have different room types here, and it's a short 12-minute walk to Disneyland, just down harbor. You can have scooters and strollers dropped off here in the lobby if you're renting them. And this is where you check in. We are checking into the Portofino Inn and Suites, which is on Harbor down the street from Disneyland. This is a 2-queen bedroom. So it has the 2 beds, got a chair, little table set up over here. There's a coffee maker. They do have a mini fridge as well. You've got your desk space, dresser, and a TV. And over here, we've got our bathroom. So here's the vanity, blow dryer, bathroom, toilet, and right here is a closet that has ironing board, some stuff we already put in there. Here's the bathroom. So we have a bathroom with a tub shower. And this room is the 2-queen room. They also have rooms here at the Portofino that are suites. So you could have kids in a separate room and the door closes off. So that's also another option that they sell here at the Portofino. Portofino is about a 12-minute walk to Disneyland, or you can take the art shuttle. And here we are. They also have an outdoor pool, which is heated year-round. And there's also a jacuzzi here at the Portofino Inn and Suites. And they do have a gym here on property. But I think probably the best thing that they have that I really liked, it was huge. They have this giant gift mart. Let's go inside and check out. They have so many things in here, from souvenirs, sunglasses, food, you name it. So many things to choose from in here. This really is a great stop. Let's talk about how we get to Disneyland from any of these 3 hotels that are located about 10 minutes away from the park. So here's the hotel, and CVS is at the bottom, and we're going to go right here. We're going to cross. This is Harbor. We're going to take Harbor all the way down to security and head to Disneyland. It's about a 10 to 12-minute walk. All right, we just walked down Harbor, came up this way, and we are now going over to security. Security is this way, and it was about a 10-12-minute walk from the SpringHill Suites to Disneyland to the gates to security. We are at security. Now when you get to security, you can go either to Disney California Adventure or Disneyland. And I always suggest just going to the furthest left. The lines are shorter. It still takes you into the Esplanade and then head into Disneyland. Here we go. Once you pass through security, then you are right here in the Esplanade, and you can go over here to Disney California Adventure, but we're going to come up here and we're going to go right. We're going to Disneyland. Now you can see how close these hotels are to Disneyland. Check out the links in the description, and if you would like more hotel tours, check out my page and search for more hotel room tours.